Hello and welcome to Wolfe Cadillac Edmonton. Today we're taking a look at a 2025 Cadillac XT6 Sport featuring stellar black metallic with a jet black interior. Under the hood sits a 3.6 liter V6 engine paired to a 9-speed automatic transmission. Some features include heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, hands-free power liftgate, HD surround vision, power sunroof, enhanced automatic parking assist, and much more. Taking a look at the interior, here's our door. We have Bose speakers, memory seating, power windows and mirrors, as well as our liftgate controls down below. Taking a look at the seats here, down to the bottom left, we have the power seating and lumbar, and we can hop inside. Just to the left, we have our power park brake and head-up display. Taking a look at the steering wheel, on the left, we have our cruise control with forward collision alert and the heated steering wheel. And to the right, we have our cluster as well as audio controls. We can turn on the vehicle. Take a look at the infotainment system. Starting off with the audio here. Comes equipped with AM, FM, Sirius XM, and we can connect a phone using Bluetooth. Check out the navigation. Here's our map. It's also equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Throwing it in reverse, here is our backup camera with the surround vision. Just below that, we have our climate controls with heated and ventilated front seats for both driver and passenger, some storage, infotainment system controls, 2 cup holders, wireless phone charging, and here's the center console. Popping that open, we have storage up top as well as down below with a USB plug-in. Up top here, we have our rear view mirror. It's digital. It's also equipped with OnStar and SOS with 2 dome lights, universal garage opener, and the power sunroof controls. Here is the power sunroof, and here's the other side of the vehicle. Moving on to the exterior, here are the wheels, color matched mirror caps and door handles with keyless entry, privacy tint on the rear windows, and we can make our way to the back. We have some XT6 Cadillac badging. Open up the back, all we gotta do is double click here, it's gonna pop open. A good amount of storage space back here. We also have some hidden storage down below. Looking to the right, you'll notice some power controls to drop the second and third row of seats, making a ton of extra storage space, and we can close it up by just pushing the button. Now checking out the rear interior, we have the Bose Performance Series speakers, powered windows, cup holder down below. Taking a look at the seats, we have a 60-40 seat split, and we can hop inside. The back of each seat, we have magazine holders. In the middle, we have our rear climate control. Just below that, we have 2 USBs with a light, and all the way down at the bottom here, we can pull this open for some pull-out storage. Up top, handles paired with a dome light, as well as a vent matched on the other side. And in the middle here, we can pull this down to reveal an armrest with 2 cup holders. Taking a look at the third row, here we have 2 seats in the back, vents with a dome light matched on either side, as well as a cup holder with a USB on either side as well. We get a great view of this power sunroof, and here's the rest of the vehicle. Thank you so much for joining me for this quick review of the 2025 Cadillac XT6 Sport. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and we hope to see you here at Wolfe Cadillac Edmonton very soon.